Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Palette Life, and my name is SUMA BABU. So you might have seen one of my last month's video on how to upcycle our old kurtis or unused kurtis into designer blouses. So those who have not seen it yet, I'll share the link in the description. I got a good response for that. So thank you for all your support. So some of you have asked to wear and show them so that you people can understand it better, how it is going to look on you. So this video happened. So in this video, I'm going to show you all those blouses pairing up with this off-white saree. I would suggest all girls and ladies out there should have a off-white saree like this. Because it will look gorgeous on you, and you can pair up with any kind of blouses. Let it be any color, any pattern. I have tried it, I loved it. So this blouse also I made in that time. I made out of one anarkali dress. So I cut the details regarding this blouse and all. I have already shared in my previous video. So please go and check that. I hope you are able to see it properly. So this one is the extra cloth I have mentioned in that video. It is looking simply good. This is actually longer than the normal blouse. So this one is the blouse. And this blouse also I made out of a kurti. It was a short kurti. Need not to struggle much. I just have to cut a few inches to make it short. And still it is longer than the normal blouse which we wear. But I can tell you, if you start wearing these kind of blouses, you will fall in love with them because it covers almost our body. I love this concept of these kind of blouses, these kind of designer blouses. You feel very comfortable with this. That's all for today. Hope you like the video. If you have any other queries, you can ask me through the comment section. And I'll be answering and I'll be replying to your queries soon. So hope this video is really useful. See you soon with yet another interesting concept like this. Until then, take good care of your health and be happy. Thank you. Bye.